Hi, my name is Jan Benham, founder of the Institute of Aromatherapy and Aroma Shop and cosmetic formulator since the 80s. I'm here today to talk about the lip making course, or the lip cosmetic making course. First of all, it is a fun course to do. We go into the making of lipsticks, lip glosses and lip pencils. And we provide you with a basic kit in order to be able to make all these products. Also, although this is not available in hardcover anymore, Dare to Kiss book, we provide the PDF file for this as well. So you can afterwards, after the course, you can go on and explore different color options, making your own pigments and things like that. So, what is lipstick? Basically, a little bit of trivia here. Of course, lipstick tends to get used more when there's austerity or when there's a world war on, like in World War II, the lipstick sales went through the roof. So some little rules that were applied was in 1908, for example, it was okay for a woman to apply lipstick at the table during lunch at a restaurant. It was not okay to apply lipstick at dinner. The average woman uses 4 to 9 pounds of lipsticks in a lifetime. That's just a little fun thing. So what do you get with your kit? First of all, you need waxes. So the lipsticks and lip pencils and even the lip gloss are made in basically 2 stages. The base, which is the ointment kind of base, and then the colorant. So for the bases, you're going to need different waxes and oils. So we have shea butter in your kit, beeswax, and for a vegan option, we have candelilla wax and canalba wax. And I'm mostly into natural and holistic makeup, but I do go into the silicones. So I do provide dimethicone and isododecane, so that you can make your own waterproof lipsticks if you so wish to, or your lip glosses, for example. But so I teach you about the use of those, although I don't use them in my makeup. I found there's some wonderful natural alternatives. So we provide you with castor oil, jojoba oil, some MCT oils that have a silicone-like feel upon the skin, shea butter, then of course you've got your waxes, and that's your bases for making your lipstick base, your lip gloss base, and your lip pencil base. And then the colorants. Of course, the colorant is a big thing because it's a lipstick. So it's a lipstick, so it's a stick that leaves, I don't know how to describe it. So it's a sticking the color onto your lips. So a lipstick. So we want these colors to stick to our lips. So we do provide varying colors and some all natural oxides, micas, carmine, and teach you how to mix them. And then we also have some ready-made colorants that we provide as well that you can just put straight into your melted base. Of course, you need to be able to put them into some product to package them. We don't provide a mold with the lipstick course, but we do provide 10 lip balm tubes that you can put your lipstick into. And of course, we do have professional lip gloss tubes and lip pencils. So you get 10 of each basically. So it's quite a lot of kit that you get with your course. It's a lot of fun. It's a very fun, creative project, and I'm there with you all the way, one-on-one, to help you. And so if you do happen to have any questions, please contact me. Otherwise, I look forward to working with you if you decide to join up. And it's goodbye for now.